Good morning. This video is for Paul. This is Zach from Voss Motors. I'm just responding back to your email in regards to this 2019 R1M. Just going to do a quick little walk around of the unit, kind of show you what we're dealing with here. So it's a brand new unit. Zero kilometers. Obviously comes fully certified. Give you a little bit of a price rundown here. So 25,863. That is the all-in price. All you add is taxes and licensing. That we don't have any other fees here. No hidden fees. So that's the price plus tax and licensing. If you are interested, definitely send me a response back or give us a call. Ask for Zach. We can schedule a time for you to come look at it and look at options for financing or if you're doing cash, however you're doing it. But we'll be here to help you out. Okay, thanks a lot.